Hello, good evening to one and all. Meet me, I am Aditi Arya and I am a student of Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center. Today, we are here to do flip talk on a topic Indian culture versus Western culture. And I am in the favor of Western culture and my friend is in the favor of Indian culture. But before starting my topic, I would like to define what culture is. A culture is a way of life of a group of people or a country. This includes the behaviors, beliefs, ideas, values, customs, religion, etc., which are considered generally, and they are acceptable without thinking about them, and they are passed from one generation to another generation by the help of communication and imitation. Today, now I am going to say about the Western culture. Western culture is a culture followed by the people of USA, Spain, Canada, Europe, etc. And this culture is very important in nowadays life because this culture is having more benefits. We are living in India and we think that our Indian culture is very beneficial, but also Western culture is very important in modern generation. I am giving some points like in Western culture there is only one religion is present, so there mostly people belong to the Christianity and they know having religious problems such as casteism, untouchability, reservation and religious violence. They are the people of this religion. They used to light a candle in front of God. They make wishes for the people in the church, whoever they need, and their simple methods and their simple way of living helps to reserve and preserve the nature because they are not exploiting water, ponds, airs and natural resources. My second point is that love marriages are more preferred in Western culture. In Western culture, people are able to choose their life partner by themselves, and because of that, they are having no regrets in their whole lifetime, and they don't blame their even parents. Nowadays, you can see that many people who are only doing love arranged marriages because of their parents' need, they are never agreed, they are never satisfied with their marriage, and they are not able to live happily, because they are always sacrificing and they are not having love in between them. But due to love marriage, their compatibility is becoming more good because they know their each other's desires, needs, and they are able to help them in their need.
Indian culture, many types of dance category available. Like in South Indian, they perform the Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Odissi, and there many more dance available in Indian culture. And this type of dance category, their academy, many assured available, and government also make many types of institute for this, because this type dance category is worldwide famous, and this type dance category you one time you learn, so you can perform any types of dance in your future, and you can become more teacher in this type field. So in a culture dance a category very traditional, their dress are very traditional, and in a culture we know there are very hot environment available, so their dress are also very air conditioned, and this type dress are like dhoti, kurta, and many more Indian culture dress are famous in India. So this type dance and dress are performing in their when they perform the dance, that time they wear, and this type of dress are looking more traditional, this type dance are looking more spiritual, because our gods are wearing the sari and this type dhoti kurta. So this type dance cloth and this type fashion we include in our dance, so this is show our identity of India, and this is show our tradition. So that's why
love marriage is very important also for mutual understanding, because the partners are knowing from very longer time, so they are able to understand each other very easily, and they don't waste so much time to only to know what the other person is thinking, how the other person's nature is, and all the things. And the most important benefit of love marriage in Western culture is that they are not taking any dowry, and because of dowry, you know that many girls are not able to get married for a longer period of time. They are unable to get any husband, and they are unable to get at the right age of marriage. So I think it is very good in Western culture to have a love marriage. In Western culture also nuclear families are more preferred, because in Western culture they don't all the people make their decision by themselves, and they don't try to they don't want that their parents and children both are so much mature and understanding that they don't force their child to do the same things as they have done, and they are And in nuclear family also, because by living in nuclear family we are having less problems, less fights, and we are
Indian culture meant as of religion available like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and that religions are stay in one country. This is very proud moment for India because I seen many more countries there only one religion, but even then their peoples are fighting. But India like 4 to 6 religions are living in one country, and their population there also very high. So I think this is very proud moment, and this is the very show the Indian unity and show the peoples the respect for the people. So in this time. India is more famous for the religion, and you can choose the any religion. Like you are Hindu, so you want to change your religion, so you can change. You have a right to choose. You have a right to change your religion, and that's why India is more humble country makes. So in a culture, I already said many religions available. So there are many different holy books are available. Like Hindus prefer the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Vedanta, Arthved, Shamved. Many books are available in Hindu culture, and in Muslim culture Qurans and more books, and Christian the holy books like Bible. So this type books are very good messages available, so you can read this type books and you can solve your any life problems, because this all life problems are solved in this type books, because our problems are not very big problems, our problems are small, but our mindsets make this type problems more bigger. So when you read this type books like Srimad Bhagavad Gita coming in our India, and they also doing the taking the education of our books, holy books. So I think Indian cultures are very good.
Okay, nuclear families are also good because in nuclear family, parents are able to help their children. Parents are able to give more attention to their children because members are very small, and children, when they are taking decision, all their decisions, and they are having more freedom, and they are able to make their choice, which are of the dress or of their career by themselves. So they are becoming more mature with the time, and they are becoming more independent. In Western culture, the dress is very comfortable and stylish because we have shirt, jeans, top and other dresses, and these dresses look stylish, comfortable, and whenever we wear these dresses, so we always feel confident, and whether it is in summer or in winter, we are having a good feeling after wearing these dresses, because when we are wearing any hard dresses like sari or other dresses, so we are in summer season we are having more sweat, and we are having more problems to how to maintain these clothes. So I think
in India cultural health sector are also very improved and also very good for our health. Like in Indian culture, yoga and Ayurveda is very more famous, and they mostly peoples are use Ayurvedic medicines, and they doing yoga because they have no any side effects. So that's what people are using, and this type things medicines are very helpful for our body, and our body accept, because this type medicines are come from our natures, and we also and our Ayurvedic peoples who make this type medicines, they growing in medicine in forest, they doing farming. So this type medicine are no side effects, and we can, how can we forget the yoga is a very good part of life, because when you're doing yoga, so your blood pressure, your many disease in your body, they become solved. And in India, like Ramdev Baba, they also doing a daily yoga session in TV like Astha channel, and many more peoples are they perform yoga. And in India there a one separate day like yoga day happening. So this type days are also happening by our government, because they are very good for our body. So this type sessions are also happening in abroad country, because peoples are know this is very helpful for our body.
in Western culture, people are having lots of in Western culture, people mostly focus on their balanced diet, on their games, on their gyms, and they are focusing more on their health rather than they are not doing so much party. They are not using so much spices on their food, which are making them healthier. And there is also a benefit in Western culture that people are more practical and rational in nature, and they think the things from their practical nature, and they think from the scientific way rather than believing in superstitions, because in many parts of our country, people are more superstitious, and they are whenever they are having any kind of problem, they first call the tantric and other persons rather than calling a doctor, and because of that, because of lack in treatment, they are having severe problems for their lifetime, and many people when they are believing in superstition, so they have the fear that if a wrong thing will happen. So Western people are more modern in more intelligent in nature.
Indian culture, marriage ceremony are very different to the whole world, because in Indian culture marriage time they are very making the a traditional way. They wearing the dhoti kurta and that traditional dress like our gods are wearing. So they doing marriage like in arranged marriage, and they invite the whole relatives in their house. They making a very good way, and there many types of occasion happening like haldi, mehndi, and reception. Many more things are happening, and they doing and they their marriage duration they like 12 to 15 days. So this day they make enjoying the more, and they making the more joint they making the more love in their family. And that's why we know in Indian culture divorce rate is too much low, because their families are very, relations are very strong, because they follow our tradition. So Indian culture marriage very good.
In Western culture, people are more growing in nature, because when they are getting at the age of 18, so they are focusing more on how to do their job by themselves, and they are focusing how to create their business by themselves, and that's why they are becoming more materialistic, and their lifestyle is becoming more luxury, and their lifestyle is becoming more good.